Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a DirectX 12 error on FIFA 23. Okay, there are a couple of different steps. So first you want to go into run, type in DirectX for the DirectX dialog. From here you can see what version of DirectX you are running. I'm running DirectX version 12. If you click on display, you can see if you're running DirectX 12 Ultimate, and here if you're running DirectX 12 it should say 12_2. If you are not, you need to download it. You can download it. I'll put the URL in the video description below, but it'll bring you to this Microsoft website. And from here, you click on the language, click download, install it, reboot your computer to see if you're still having the issue. If so, you can force the game to run on DirectX 11 in Steam. Go to library, right click on the game, go to properties, go to general, type in -DX11 to force the game to run in DirectX 11. Even if you do not have it installed on Steam, you can say add a game on the bottom left, add a non-Steam game, find the game from the list, and then do what I just told you to do. Okay, if you've done that, it still isn't working. What you can do is go search, type in CMD for command prompt, right click on it, hit run as administrator. From here type in sfc/scan now, hit enter, and this will scan your entire file system for any corrupt files and it will replace them automatically. Now this will take a couple of minutes to run, but after it is done, reboot your computer to see and try it once again to see if you are still getting the error. This should fix the issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Have a nice day.